Alright, thanks for on Brack Live YouTube. Alright, today got some brakes on the rear on the terrain. 14 mils on caliber bolts. And I think it's 15 mils. No, 15 mil on the bracket bolts for the calibers. Alright, y'all, so you had to put the breaker bar on there. I ain't have to use no heat today. So that was good. A little breaker bar in the pipe. Hey, look, got things moving. Alright, so let me get this off. I'll be back. Alright, so as usual, take this around our caliber. Customers complained about the caliber being damaged, but I think he'll be okay with those. I'll just run it all in. Alright, y'all, we had to get into it. We gonna use a breaker bar to get this. Bam, got one down. Alright, y'all, then we go over here. Hit it from this side. Being a little stubborn though. There we go, y'all. Move though. Okay, y'all. We're gonna give this stuff off. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all.